Still in reference to the weather services, the national weather services that I work with, one of the products we have is releasing a seasonal forecast. In this case, the way in a minute or in a second, the way the seasonal forecast is derived, what happens is that our country, we belong to the IGAD region. They sit usually at the regional center, which is in Kenya, and then at the end of the day, they have to discuss, they have to carry out the statistical analysis, the dynamic analysis, and then at the end of the day, we have to downscale the output from the regional, then we will downscale it to the national. But I'm realizing and I'm giving a scenario of when A3E2 model is in place. In this case, I'm looking at my teammate who is a manager, my supervisor leading the team, and now I'm a team member. A3E2 model is in action, looking at analyzing the situation. Now we are looking at after assessment, analyzing, and then alignment of that product that we've got, and then we look at the execution and then evaluation. In this case, this is a true scenario of A3E2 model because it is a team. Now we want to come to a consensus from the output from different satellites. What should be taken? What on which basis we are looking at the skill or the accuracy of the forecast from at least something like 20 models. That is, I'm explaining like downscaling from a regional to a national, looking at all factors in the country, looking at all the data in the country, now from the regional to the national. So, and this is a best scenario when this A3E2 model is in place, because in this case we are in position to read the agility, the aspiration, the engagement, and then the emotional intelligence. You find that when we are discussing the seasonal forecast in order to come up with one which is standing, then you can read the faces, that aperture, emotional aperture of the different team members. So at the end of the day, if we are considering the A3E2 model, it is in place and it is exciting and it's something to learn about. So if we are a team, then I think after applying the A3E2 model, then at the end of the day, we can improve the performance of the forecast, we can improve the accuracy, because it's all about working as a team and then aiming at the same goal, that is improvement of our performance. In other words, coming out with an accurate forecast.